A McDonald's on the trail. This town is so small, like all the towns on trail. So there's like a grocery store there, Family Dollar, McDonald's. This is actually big compared to other places. Liquor store. Lake Butler. Trail type and difficulty. Paved surface. Easy. So last night I stayed at mile 523.8. Yeah, it was pouring last night. It was ridiculous. Like all day it was drizzling, and then it just was ridiculous last night. But yeah, now I'm walking through Lake Butler. The only busy thing in this town is McDonald's. Like everybody's there. But yeah, so it's chilly, so I'm not gonna take a long break here. It's just like at a little park. So I'm just gonna keep moving and get the miles done. Yeah, I still haven't seen a single person out here. Other than the people going northbound that I met at JR's. So it's okay. I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, I'm just gonna get moving. The marks have been really, like, they haven't been on the poles recently, and it's just hard to tell which way if you don't have gut hook. Because, I mean, by that pole you think you're going that way, right? But you go this way still. So, gut hook is definitely a must on this trail so you don't get lost. Yeah, because look, there's no other, like, where are the blazes? Don't you just love how bipolar the weather is here in Florida? I was just wearing my Melly, and now I'm like dripping sweat because it's so humid. But I would rather it be like this. Okay, so This bridge is really narrow, but you gotta cross it. So I think I'm gonna go on this side. Hopefully nobody runs me over. Oh, it's terrible. Hi. Hi, cuties. Oh, you're so cute. What's up? What's up? Oh. Hi, puppy. Hi, cuties. You're so cute. You guys are so cute. They're following me. Oh, they're not following me anymore. You see? Again, look how, like, it needs to be repainted, so people without gut hook would struggle. Hi, puppies. You guys are cute. Hi. Hi. Puppies. It's okay. Hi. Hi, puppies. Hi. Hi, puppies. Hi. Oh. Hi. Taking a break on the side of the road. Yeah, the trail is on road for a pretty long time. I've been road walking all day. Yeah, there are lots of dogs though, so it's good to see them. They're so cute. So yeah, I laid out my mat and just taking a small little break. There's cows on this side of me. But yeah, I was looking for a place, but there's just houses everywhere, so this is the only place I found. Let me show you the cows. Moo! Yeah, so I'm just sitting here. I don't think anybody would mind. But yeah, see? Ooh, excuse me. See the Florida Trail blaze. I could hear hunting dogs in the distance. So a lot of hunters out in this section I'm at. So I'm gonna stop in around 0.7 miles. There's supposed to be a tent site there, and I'm gonna stop there so I could be on the premiere with you guys, because I premiere videos at 5 p.m. So I'll get to camp and then be able to talk to you guys on there. Hi, puppy. It's sad that almost every bit of water I get to, there's trash everywhere, and it's just sad. So the trail goes that way still. I came from this way, but I think I'm gonna stop for the day right here. Yeah, pine needles make it like a comfy cushion. So this is perfect. All right, I'm gonna start setting up right there. Perfection. All right. So I'm recording so you guys could hear the sounds that, this is the sound of the Florida Trail. Cars, dogs. anyways, I made it to camp. My video premieres in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go on there and talk to all of you. This is how my days go. You know, I hike all day, and then a premiere of one of my videos come up at 5, and I talk to all of you because you guys are my trail family. I'm out here alone. So yeah, set up, have my quilt and my mat, ready for bed.